Today's topic is particularly intriguing as we delve into 5 healthy foods that can actually accelerate aging. These foods might seem like they're doing you good, but they could be contributing to premature aging. We'll also reveal the surprising connection between these foods and age-related diseases. So stick around and let's explore this fascinating topic together. Before we dive into our list, here's a quick reminder. If you appreciate the information shared in this video, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing. Let's embark on this eye-opening journey. Number 5. Vegetable oils. Vegetable oils are widely used in cooking and food products, often touted for their health benefits due to their high content of unsaturated fats. However, not all fats are created equal. While some types of unsaturated fats, such as those found in avocados and olive oil, are considered beneficial, others, including vegetable oils, can have detrimental effects on the body. Vegetable oils like soybean, corn, and canola oil are often processed using harsh chemicals and high heat, which can cause them to become rancid more quickly. This means that they may contain harmful compounds that are bad for your health. Additionally, vegetable oils are typically high in omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for the body but should be consumed in moderation. An imbalance of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids has been linked to inflammation and increased risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Replacing vegetable oils with healthier alternatives like extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil can significantly reduce the risk of developing age-related conditions. Studies have shown that consuming excessive amounts of vegetable oils can lead to cellular damage and contribute to accelerated aging. By making conscious choices about the oils we use in our diet, we can better protect ourselves against premature aging and its associated diseases. Number 4. Sugar and high fructose corn syrup. In today's world where convenience and processed foods are prevalent, it's easy to consume excessive amounts of sugar and high fructose corn syrup without realizing it. These sweeteners are hidden in many everyday items from soda and candy to condiments and breakfast cereals. The overconsumption of sugar has become a major public health concern due to its association with various health issues, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Excessive sugar intake can also have detrimental effects on skin health, leading to wrinkles, age spots, and other signs of premature aging. One way that sugar accelerates aging is by causing oxidative stress in the body. When sugar is consumed, it can react with proteins and fats, forming harmful compounds called advanced glycation end products, AGEs. AGEs can then bind to cells and tissues, disrupting normal function and contributing to the development of age-related diseases. To combat the negative effects of sugar, it's crucial to read food labels carefully and be aware of the hidden sources of added sugars in your diet. Choosing whole, unprocessed foods and limiting your intake of sugary drinks and snacks can go a long way in reducing premature aging and improving overall health. Number 3. Alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption is often associated with certain health benefits, excessive intake can have detrimental effects on the body. One of the ways alcohol contributes to premature aging is by damaging DNA and cells. Over time, this damage accumulates, leading to the formation of age spots, wrinkles, and other signs of skin aging. Alcohol also interferes with the body's natural antioxidant defense system, making it harder for the body to fight free radicals and oxidative stress. This can further accelerate aging and increase the risk of age-related diseases. Another concern is that alcohol can deplete essential nutrients, including vitamins and minerals, which are crucial for maintaining healthy skin and preventing premature aging. For example, excessive alcohol intake can lead to deficiencies in vitamins A, C, and E, all of which play a role in protecting the skin from damage and maintaining its elasticity. To minimize the negative effects of alcohol on aging, it's important to consume it in moderation, if at all. Following recommended guidelines, such as limiting intake to 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men, can help reduce the risk of premature aging and associated diseases. It's also advisable to choose alcohol-free options when possible, and to prioritize a balanced diet and regular exercise to support overall health and skin health. Number 2, refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates, such as white rice and bread, are stripped of their nutritional value during processing, leaving behind only the starchy components. These carbohydrates are quickly broken down into sugar in the body, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. As previously discussed, high blood sugar levels can cause oxidative stress and damage cells, contributing to premature aging and age-related diseases. Additionally, refined carbohydrates often have a high glycemic index, meaning they are rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream, causing energy fluctuations and cravings for more carbohydrates. This cycle can lead to overeating and weight gain, which further increases the risk of age-related conditions such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. To reduce the negative effects of refined carbohydrates on aging, it's essential to opt for whole, unrefined carbohydrates such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These alternatives provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that can help stabilize blood sugar levels and support overall health. By making informed choices about the types of carbohydrates we consume, we can better manage our risk of premature aging and age-related diseases. Number 1, processed meat. Processed meat, such as deli meats, sausages, and bacon, has become a staple in many diets around the world. However, consuming excessive amounts of processed meat can have detrimental effects on health, potentially leading to premature aging and age-related diseases. One of the main concerns with processed meat is its high salt content. The preservation techniques used to extend shelf life often involve adding large amounts of salt, which can cause the body to retain water and increase blood volume. This can put a strain on the cardiovascular system, potentially contributing to high blood pressure and increasing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, processed meat is typically high in saturated and trans fats, which can raise bad cholesterol levels and further increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. The combination of high salt, unhealthy fats, and a lack of essential nutrients makes processed meat a less than ideal choice for those looking to maintain healthy skin and prevent premature aging. Reducing or eliminating the consumption of processed meat can be a simple yet effective step towards improving overall health and potentially extending lifespan. It's important to note that while these foods can contribute to premature aging, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help combat the negative effects and promote healthy aging. Making informed choices about the foods we consume is crucial for maintaining healthy skin, preventing age-related diseases, and ensuring overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the relationship between our diet and healthy skin. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Stay curious, stay healthy, and embrace the journey to better skin and overall well-being. Until next time, keep nourishing your skin and body with the right foods, and you'll see the difference.